It's a typical Thursday, guys. You know what that means? That means that I'm coming at you today with 7 quotes. So, put on your gear, get ready to be struck by 7 awesome motivational quotes, and let's get going. Quote number 1: grow slow, grow steady, grow wealthy, keep your pace. As long as you have a pace, you are going to succeed. As long as you maintain that pace. Do not go too fast. If you go too fast, then you will peter out, which is an issue for a lot of businesses that are growing from a small to a medium-sized business in a short period of time. You can get your wealth through this explosion period, but don't let it take advantage of you. Make sure that when you explode, you are ready to grab the reins and make sure that you are exploding at the pace that feels comfortable to you. Number 2, be a reflection of your heroes. You and your heroes should have a lot in common. Be that daily routines, be that books you read. You and your heroes should always have stuff in common, because if you want to be like them, then you have to know how they think. You have to know what made them so wealthy, what keeps them so wealthy, why are they able to teach their family how to stay wealthy and their family stays wealthy too. How can they teach their wife how to develop wealth, and now their wife can go create their own business and develop her own wealth? How are they able to do this? Subscribe to your heroes entirely, because your subscription to your heroes is going to be your subscription to your success, and a success that can be a ditto of the heroes that you follow. This does not mean follow 100% everything that they do. Do it your own way, but know how they do it and be a reflection of them. Anchor your vision so that the high winds won't sway it. The way you anchor your vision is by every single day repeating to yourself your vision. Every single day writing your vision down. You should be making sure that you always keep track of what your vision is, so that everything that happens, all adversity, all trials, everything that comes at you in life, no matter what it is, nothing sways your vision beyond what it can be pushed to, because it will be swayed, but you don't want to lose it just because you have a couple of days worth of rain. Let your dreams excite you. You should be excited, you should be pumped, you should be full of energy to do what you want to do. You should be excited that you are creating an independent life for yourself. You should be ready to go. You should be ready to liberate yourself from the lifestyle that is currently making you unhappy. And because of this liberation, you should be excited that you are taking the steps that you need to take, and be excited to take the steps that you need to take to push yourself forward and onward. Light a way through the fog. The fog can be anything. The fog can be troubles. It can be financial troubles. It could be medical troubles. It could be family troubles. The fog could be anything, but you need to light your way through it so that even when this fog rolls around, you are still doing exactly what you need to do. You're still sticking to your routine. You're still giving it your all every single day, because if you want to be successful, then you need to hustle. You need to be able to work hard every single day no matter what happens. And you do this by not letting the fog hold back your path. It may slow you down, and having that lantern may weigh you down a little bit more to where it's going to take you a little bit longer to get through the fog, but that's okay as long as you're still taking the steps that you need to take and still walking forward. Just roll with it. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it. Sometimes you just gotta keep going and going and going, and you got to just take everything as they come and realize that this happens to everybody, and I just need to roll with it and make the best out of a bad situation. That's right, make lemonade out of rotten lemons. And you can do that by just accepting the fact that some days are harder than others, and sometimes you'll be given something that is extremely difficult for you to accept, for you to deal with. So you just need to go with it as it comes and go with the flow, and sometimes just follow your gut and do what feels right through this struggle. And finally, keep the end game in sight. You want to be able to see where you want to be at all times. So this means writing down your goals, writing down your vision, making sure that you have certain things taped around you that will prove successful. I have my lock screen be where I want to be in a couple years from now on my phone, so every time I unlock my phone, I see where I want to be in a couple years from now. And this is always keeping my end game in sight, and always keeping me motivated to do these videos and give them to you with high energy and do similar things to these videos. And that essentially is what you want to do. Whether you do this through art, through pictures, through music, whatever it may be, always make sure that you know where you want to, where you need to end up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please comment down below. Let me know if you had some other awesome quotes that follow along with this kind of theme, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.